All right, guys, we are back. We are back on. So I freaking my chair freaking took the plug out the wall. All right, just wait for everybody to come back on. Yeah, so the freaking plug just my chair just freaking took the plug off the wall when I was trying to sit up straight, and my computer just died. All right. Uh, is any one of you in the GJ buys before the thing went off? Is anyone in this GJ buys before the computer went off? Sorry guys, I'm just doing some stuff here for my VIP. Let's go, GJ. Alright, 10 pips smashed on GJ, 12 pips smashed. Twelve pips closed on GJ. Shit, let's see those W's, guys. Very nice. Let's see those W's. Man, I'm so mad that my computer just freaking, that was nobody's fault but my fault. More stops to entry, guys. Oh shit, how come? Hold on, how come was it? Hold on, wait. I thought I closed at 12. Looks like I closed at, oh shit. Well, I guess I wasn't fast enough, so I would close at 15 pips. Very, very nice. Took half at 15 pips, guys. Let's see if we're gonna get a runner. So far, I've taken 2 losses this week, 2 losses, and I'm about to go see. All right, 15 pips secured on GJ. Let's see what happens from here now. Are we gonna get a runner? Are we gonna get a runner here? It's too late. It's too late. If you're trying to get in buys now, it's too late. I might take one more trade here, guys, because we already done with GJ. So if GU breaks above or breaks below, I might, and that's gonna be my last trade for the day. If it happens while I'm still on this stream, then that's fine. Alright. Hopefully we do not get stopped out here. What's up? Hello, teacher. Ah, I'm stopped out at one of my positions. All right, I'm stopped out on GJ. Damn, I'm stopped out of GJ, guys. Wow. Is anyone else still in GJ? I've been stopped out. Stopped out because of my spread on GJ. So I'm still gonna see if we can take one more trade here. Is anyone else still on GJ? All right. Monday and Tuesday we had runners. Yesterday and today we've not had no runners. I might take another entry on GJ depending on how we close this. Depending on how we close this. Man, if this thing keeps going up, man, I'll be mad because I'm already stopped out. Oh man. Yep, I'm hoping I get a second entry. If I do not, so guys, if I do not get a second entry over here, what the hell? I don't even know where my entry was. Just put it back here. So if I don't get another entry around here, I'll look for an entry above 165 300 because that's the next resistance. So So there could still be another chance to get in GJ buys if it continues going up. I would expect GU to be doing something right now, but it's not. It's still in a range. So we still got GU in a range. Mm. Alright. Tomorrow, I'm definitely not gonna take pre-London trades. Because the loss we've taken today, I mean this week, how many losses have I taken this week? CJ, today's the second loss this week, and did I've won like what, 6 or 7 this week? Hold on, let me go back and look. Let me look at my history. So this week started on the 25th. Let me look at my history. So know how many wins and losses, but I'm still up for the week. Okay, GJ CAD. One. 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 2 losses and 1, 2, 3. 2 losses, 4 wins. Just London session. 2 losses, 4 wins. Okay, GG is really the only one moving, and then we've been stopped out. Anyways, if you're looking for another broker, a very good and reputable broker, because your broker sucks or your broker is charging you too much spread, high commissions, then I definitely recommend Anchor Trade. I recommend Anchor Trade because you can use MT5 with Anchor Trade, because very soon we're not going to be able to use MT4 anymore. MT4 will be done completely and you have no choice but to use MT5. So why not just switch to a broker that has the option for you to use the MT5 platform. And not only that, the account types that Anchor Trade offers, you got ECN Plus and ECN. These are the 2 account types I recommend. So if you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. Less than $1,000, go with ECN. Anchor Trade spread starts from 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500. negative balance protection, very good low commissions, and you also have the option to have a matching deposit bonus. So if you want a matching deposit bonus, you have to make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200. It cannot be above 1 to 200. If that's the case, you're not going to get the matching deposit bonus. If you want the matching deposit bonus, all you have to do is make sure your leverage is 1 to 200, and then when you get in your account, just apply for the matching deposit bonus, and you're gonna get it up to 100%. So if you put in $200, you're gonna get an extra $200 if you apply. All right, and this is the leverage I use. My leverage is 1 to 500. So if you're interested, you can use my link down below in the description. So right now, I have no other choice but to look for my buys on GJ above 165.300. That's if it keeps going up. If it decides to drop, then my sales is going to be below 164.800 if it decides to drop. Let me do this real quick here. Before our bearish flip we took, if that was London Open, the sales we took would have been a win. No doubt. Would have been a win, because that setup, I will take it every single time. Every single time. Do we have enough range here though? But since we broke this freaking support on resistance here, we should continue going up on GJ. And as far as EJ and GU goes, maybe we'll see volume in the next 30 minutes to an hour here. Yes, you won't be able to use MT4 anymore very soon. That might happen this year. Yeah, not all broker has the MT5 option. Not all broker. Only a few. So I use MT5. I don't use MT4. MT5 is better anyways. Better looking design. Like very, very good. I love MT5. I don't use MT4 anymore. What I had to do with anchor trade, because I was using MT4 with anchor trade before, so when I heard about what's going to happen with MT4, I was like, you know what, I might as well switch now. So I had to open a new live account, and then I choose MT5 as my platform, my trading platform, and then I just moved my money. That's what I had to do. Yep, I still have Hugo's Way. Hugo's Way don't have MT4, but I don't use it. I can't even remember the last time I traded on Hugo's Way. I have two accounts that I really be using, but the second one I don't use it that often. I've just been focusing on anchor trade because I like it better. The second one I have is Osprey FX. Man, I wish I was still in these buys. So I'm waiting to see what GU is gonna do. I'm just waiting to see what GU is gonna do. Damn, you go for active brokers? Oh wow. Man, John Rosa is killing it today. He's still in GJ and EJ. He's killing it. I'm glad you guys took the GJ buys before the computer went off though. Like what's holding GU from freaking it has no volume at all. GU, what's the hold up? Oh, you're just in EJ. Oh, I thought you were in GJ and EJ. I didn't know. So I'm gonna update. So for this, so far we got 20 wins and 9 losses this month. That'll be 660, 667 pips. For the year, 179 and 59 losses. Still at 75. This will be 90-30. All right. Okay, GU, are you getting ready? What are you gonna do? John Rosa, are you in buys on EJ or you in sales? Because right now we really rejecting this previous support faked out here to the left. So if EJ keeps falling here, GJ might actually freaking start falling too. Uh, so based off the 5 minute time frame, if you look at the 5 minute time frame here, we're rejecting 165 200. So buys above that will be the entry. Buys above that will be the entry if we break above that. All right. Yeah, that was what I was saying. Did you take half? I mean, if you've already taken partials, then just let it run. If you get stopped out, then you get stopped out. At least you took some money out. If EJ decides to fall here, my sales is gonna be below 137,900 on EJ. That's where I'm gonna sell EJ at.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you.
Exactly. So when you've already taken some money out and you move your stops to break even, you can't lose anymore. You can't lose anymore. Just let it run. Whatever happens, happens after that. I've told you guys my strategy, a lot of times here that when I come into the market, my goal is to get 10 to 20 pips. I'm okay with 10 to 20 pips every day that I trade. 10 to 20 pips, that's it. And if the trade keeps going my way, once I get 50 pips out of the market, I'm okay with closing my entire position. but my goal is to at least always get 10 to 20 pips. 10 to 20 pips. That's it. You didn't take the GJ buys, Ekine? Looks like some of you didn't take the GJ buys.
No defense, stood strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this, now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop.
No, J. Koresh, I didn't think anyone took you a GBP.
I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting them scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off. Son of God, no, I am not son of man. Blessings keep falling, the fingers keep coming in. I got you, but just know I'm texting like Uncle Sam. Left to the bank, you know that I'm coming in. We don't do it for the bands though, we don't do it for the clout. Legacy on the line, so I'm moving in and out. Seen good ones turn top dog, greedy ones get knocked off. I keep looking at the bench like I could never not ball. Coach keep me in the game, Curry deadly with the range. I keep looking in the mirror like, who is he? I'm insane. Who am I? He insane. Guess I am the one to blame. What's done is done, won't change. Time to live up to my name. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for a while. No sleep in the while, I won't fall. No sleep in the while, I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting them scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off. Told me, baby, meet me at the bank. Told me, mama, I'ma break the trend. Locked in, I'ma change the weight. Working for them, big baby's kids. Hard times couldn't make the rent. Working hard couldn't save a cent. Lonely nights, just me and God. Swear to him, always make the ends. Grab a paper, see the news. Hate coming by the tools. Walk a mile in my shoes. Something you can never do. Got my back against the wall. Bet I always pull through. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Sending shots, I block 'em. Superman with the moves. Rock 'em, sock 'em, drop ball 'em. Play to win, never lose. Run it up, I topple. Play full belly too. I hip hop or pop 'em. Anything I could do. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for a while. No sleep in the while, I won't fall. No sleep in the while, I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting them scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off.
So we're still waiting to see what GU is gonna do here. No, I'm not a funded trader. I trade my own funds. I trade my own funds. You wanna get me one? You wanna get me one, John? Oh, are you a funded trader? Are you funded, John? How many of you are funded traders here? Yes, EH Films. Looking for a potential bullish entry continuation on GJ because we've actually been stopped out. So let me just delete this because we've been stopped out of GJ after 15 pips. Got in too late. I mean, not too late, but we've been stopped out anyway. It's because of the spread. That's why. That's why we've been stopped out. Alright, come on, GU. GU, can you break in the next 5 minutes? Can you break and close above in the next 5 minutes? Can you do that? Alright. I don't trade GBP NCD.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with funded accounts, though, especially if you don't have, the capital that you really need, and you believe in yourself, and if you're a disciplined trader, then you can go with a funded account because you cannot trade a funded account as you would trade your personal account. You just can't do it. You cannot do it.
Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, bring the cheese. Put the lights on.
Yep, I only risk 1 to 2%.
Need no French toast.
That's what I risk on my account.
Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yep, I'm waiting for GU and also to see if GJ is gonna break above this resistance here. We're still rejecting. Oh, you want to get the 200k challenge? Then you have 400k. Oh, you're doing a 200k challenge right now. How old am I? Guess. Guess. Let me see if my audience can guess my age, because nobody, oh man, I've said it here before. Nobody has been able to guess my age. Nope, I'm not 30. Nope, I'm not 30. Who else wants to try? Damn, EJ keeps rejecting this resistance, man. I said I'm about 44. Nope, I'm not that old. No. No, I'm not that old. For those of you saying, I'm not in my 20s. I'm definitely above my 20s. I'm above my 20s. Yeah, I'm more than 34. I'm above 34. I will just tell you guys. Let me see if someone got it. Yep, I've said it here before. Yeah, I'm 37. Yep, I'm 37. Yep, it's looking like it. I just wanted to cross above this resistance. Ikechi, are you sure you didn't get it because I've said it here before? Buys on GJ, guys. Buys on GJ. Take it if you can.
Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too. I said sorry with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Me, my boo. When I get lost, you won't see me through. Pedestal, I put you on the pedestal.
Oh, you entered on the 1 hour retest, Milan? Oh, the GJ buys?
My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay.
On this GJ buys, my lot size is actually minimized here because I have a very tight stop loss here. Very tight stop loss. Oh, you took GU. Yeah, I'm not in GU, at least not at the moment, and I don't even think I'm gonna take it. I do not think I'm gonna take GU, even if it pushes up. Cause but for those of you that want to take a trade, I will tell you when to get in on GU. I'll tell you guys when to get in GU. I'm actually gonna set an alert because I'm gonna be watching GJ. So I'm gonna set an alert somewhere. Just gonna put the alert right there. Alright. GJ, yes, you can still get in GJ if you want to. But for me, my lot size is minimized because I have a very, very tight stop loss here. Very, very tight. Based on this entry and these wicks we have here. So I'm gonna go get me a bottle of water real quick, guys. I'll be right. But London session this week has not been anything compared to the past 2 weeks. Not the same at all. Not the same at all. Last week was just smooth sailing. Previous week was smooth sailing. This week, not so much. Oh, Milan said he took the GU buys already.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been, could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate, we need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it changes cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'll be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city, you should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip water like a fish, sip box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate, we need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
Damn, I didn't realize I was mute. Damn, I got out of GJ, guys. I didn't realize I was still on mute. I got out of GJ. I closed it at negative 15 pips. So I won't be taking any more positions today, guys. So the error here on GJ was not waiting for the breakout. That's the error that's the error on GJ. But it looks good to push up. That was why I took the buys. So, and I decided to get out early because with this rejection, it's clearly rejecting. So there's no need for me to stay in the trade anymore. But GU this zone here. So if GU decides to go up, you still got like what, about 20 PP range here. And if it breaks above this resistance to the left, you got 52 pips in total. At this point, if you're gonna take any trade at all, I would suggest you wait for 30 more minutes for the 4-hour candle to close. Let's wait for the 4-hour candle to close, and we might see volume come in then. No, I'm not, Rose. I'm not in GU. Nope, I'm not in GU. This was the trade I was in, and it was a loss. EJ is pushing down nice though. GU is still rejecting this resistance. Fuck. Yeah, so nope, not in GU. Oh, I got some updating to do here. Damn. Twenty wins, 10 losses. For the year, 60. Yep, now we at 74% for the year. For the year, and for this month on stream, what's the win rate? 66. Compared to last month, so last month we had 23 wins, 10 losses, almost 1,000 pips on stream, 69.70% win rate. Not bad. May, what did we do in May? May was a very good month. 74%, 41 wins, 14 losses. Damn, 2,000 plus pips. Damn. What was April? April. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Did I start streaming in April? Oh, I didn't have this back then. I was using something else back then and I didn't update it here. Alright, so April. Alright, May was a good. June was good too. July is not bad so far, 66%. So we'll see if we can close out July with at least 70% win rate. Which is what? This month? I mean, which is tomorrow is the last trading day of this month, isn't it? Yeah. we'll see if we can close that 70% win rate on stream. Yeah, GU is rejecting there. So probably EJ sells below 137,900. So now we clearly rejected this support here. Uh, Thank you, Jay Koresh. I'm surprised GU didn't really do anything this London session. I'm definitely surprised about that one. Anyway, still buys above 165, 200 though on GJ. Um, you traded FOMC yesterday? Oh wow. J Koresh, I actually got it from a fellow trader and YouTuber. Uh, Don. I got it from Don Vo. So I've been using that sheet to track all my winning and losing trades so far since I got it from him. It was definitely better than what I was using. Oh, nice. If that was this, so you're talking about Asian session, this one, this sell right here. Yeah. Today was not a good day for us today. One win, two losses. So right now I'm just here because I'm not taking any more trades. I'm just here to see for the people that just joined to see if we can get a trade here in the next 30 minutes or so. It could be GU. I don't think it's gonna be EJ though. EJ buys above 138 400, 138 500 would have been nice if we didn't have this support here. That would have been nice. So I think EJ will fall. I think EJ will fall. Probably down in New York though. I don't know, so maybe I'll trade New York today. We'll see if I can get up. You're buying GG again. Don't do it.
Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing.
Don't do it, because this bullish candle has no bottom wick and it could still flip bearish and continue coming down, because this was a big rejection here on the 30-minute. Except if this 1 hour flips bullish, then it should go up. This same 1 hour candle flipped bullish previously, and then it flipped bearish again and dropped. So if it flips bullish again, it should continue pushing up this time around.
Not to change on you once I give me a minute. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a week. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch is getting kinda boring. Must be talking about kids when you talk driving foreigns. Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can't. Tell them why you mad for.
Are you still in GU Milan? I don't trade those pair, Nadim. If you want to buy GJ, you're gonna have to wait for above closure, because now we have a rejection at the previous resistance, and it came down back. It came down back to this range. So I wouldn't buy GJ right now at all. The only possible entries I'm potentially looking at here is GU. That's the only potential entries I see right now. That's the only potential entries I see right now. It's not enough. From here to here is not even 1-to-1, is it? Okay, you at least got a 1-to-1 here. Yeah, GU might start popping. You entered GG on the 5 minute time frame. I think it's a break and retest. I didn't take GU, guys, just in case you're wondering. Yeah, awareness. Yep, yep. I said it earlier after we took the loss. It rejected it rejected right at a very, very strong zone. Oh man, I think I'm just gonna wait for New York here, guys. Maybe I can be at break even, or maybe end the day with some profit because today was definitely a loss. Two losses and one win is definitely a loss. That's what we got today. Where's that? Did the win? Yeah, I did.
Now I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I made
What's my analysis on GJ? I mean, buys above 165, 300. But I would like to see GJ buys though, because if you look at the sales, you just got too many zones. You got this right here, you got this right here. But if you wait for closure below 164, 600, if GJ decides to drop, depending on how far this kind of closes below this support, below 164, 600, you have about 20 to 30 pip range. So maybe pre-New York or New York session, we'll see, some good volume, and then we'll get a bullish continuation, or we might drop. So whenever you never know. Uh, and we got USD news, advanced GDP. That's definitely gonna affect USD. Absolutely. So that's either gonna push GU up or it's gonna make it drop. So was the big move on GU to trap sellers? You're still trying to break above. They're still rejecting the resistance. And if you look at the 1 hour, you also have this freaking resistance here to the left. Where's it? You have this resistance here at 1.22090. You also have that to the left. Let's see. Man, whenever I mute my mic, I keep forgetting that I'm on mute. Yeah, so I was saying for me, I'll be looking for sales on Egypt below 164,600. And oh, no, this is GJ. Sales below 137,900 and buys above 138,600. Even though we have this support here, but we rejected this zone here because of this fake out here. Price created a support here because if you go to, let's see, it might look confusing on the 30, but if you go to the 15, you can clearly see that we had a rejection here. Price created a support, and then we rejected it here again to the right. Price created a resistance, and now we just ranging. So the buys above 138,600 should be nice on EJ, just to break above all that freaking range. Yeah, crucial. Milan, are you still here? Just want to know if you're still in these buys that you took on GU. How long have I been trading? 6 years. Awareness.
Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Everything I do for the gang. Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life
You say you got up. Yeah, I told you not to take it. I told you because that candle had no top, had no bottom wick. It could freaking come down. It could still flip bearish. You're welcome, awareness. Man, if we didn't have this support here to the left on GG and this resistance, I'll be looking to take this sell right now. And I'll just have my TP1 at this support. And final TP probably back at this support down here. That's about 50 to 60 pips. But with this support and resistance here to the right, I'm definitely not gonna take it. The best entry here was when this candle rejected. This was the best sell entry on GJ. So now that you're not in yet, you have no choice but to wait for closures here. If you're taking a sell now, you just I don't know whether to call it aggressive selling or gambling or risking. I don't know what to call it. But it looks good to come down though. It looks good to drop. GU? Nope. No trade on GU. No trade on GU at all. See, GU might not even do anything until New York. Since it hasn't done anything at all since London opened, it might not do anything until freaking New York opens. But since the 4 hour candle is about to close, we'll see what happens. Oh, congratulations, Popa. We called it GJ sales. This EJ right here, when this previous candle flipped earlier at 1:30, 30 minutes before London open, I was gonna take it, but it was just too close to London open, so I didn't take it. I don't like to take trades 30 minutes before any session open. I need at least 2 hours before, 1 hour to 2 hours before. Since I'm just trying to get out, get in, give me 10 pips at least, and get out. Yeah, that's good, Popov. Just know that you need to also be ready for losses. You just have to have that in the back of your mind. Even though we all say that, you need to be ready and willing to accept losses. You know, you just, nobody wants to lose. But at the same time, you just have to have it in the back of your mind that this trade that I'm taking, I'm either gonna win or I'm gonna lose. Okay, we're coming down. Now we're trying to see some momentum here, huh? This is something on the 1 hour though, 4 hour.
tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only one, be my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only one, be my only love. Message, hear me now, you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me today, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message.
I've had a smart money concept. I think every trader has heard of about smart money concept, except if you're new. I have nothing against it though. Everybody has their own strategy. Um, I can't remember what his name is. This the dude that founded ICT. He just decided to come up with a strategy and gave it smart money concept. The only thing I don't like about, because the creator of smart money concept is not even like how these SMC traders are. Like SMC traders, if you're not using smart money concept as your strategy, then you suck. Then you don't know how to trade. You don't know what you're doing. As if they don't take no losses. That's what I don't like. I've never, tried it before. I've never used it. Because at the end of the day, we're all student of this freaking market. It's always gonna do whatever it wants to do, whatever is what it wants to do. That's why the setup you took today that worked for you, you might take it tomorrow and it's not gonna work for you. You take a setup today worked for you, tomorrow it might not work out for you. But as long as it works a lot more and you're actually making money with it than you're losing, then obviously it's a good strategy, then you just stick to it. Because you are gonna lose. There's nothing you can do about it. Whether your strategy is order block, SMC, supply and demand, breakouts, whatever your strategy is, the goal is to get a strategy that gives you a very good win rate and that's making you profitable consistently. That's the goal. That's the goal. And you're also gonna make mistakes. You're also gonna make mistakes, and your goal should be you not making a lot of mistakes, not repeating those mistakes every single time. No, no, absolutely not. Using all this strategy, nah. Because they're not gonna be in confluence. Oh, you're talking about Raja Banks? He's not the only one that targets 10 to 20 pips. Every YouTube streamer, that's what we all do. EJ only some lower. Oh man, I don't understand what you mean, Anton. I wish I do, but I really don't understand what you mean. I feel like New York session could actually be good today. Uh, we might get some nice setups during New York session, potentially, potentially after this USD news. So that means I'm gonna have to wake up at 9 a.m. EST. Yeah. Oh, I might just stay up. I might just stay up. Because we could also get some nice entries here pre-New York. Could get some nice setups pre-New York as well. Yeah, I didn't understand the sentence, Anton. I kind of agree with you. That's why I'm only looking for sales below this 137,900. If we breaks below that, we could actually continue. And one thing you guys should also know is that when you anticipating a move or predicting a move, you're just anticipating, you're just predicting. It really doesn't mean that's what the market is going to do for sure, 100%. So, anticipating and predicting a move, that's all fine, that's all good. But at the end of the day, you can only react to whatever the market is doing. And then you have to make sure you look at, you're looking at the candles, you're looking for rejections and stuff. Like I said, this previous candle here on EJ, if this candle was at London session or at least 2 hours before, I would have taken this sell here because it was a nice rejection here to the left. And we kind of saw the same thing here on GJ, but we already took the buys here on GJ. If not, I absolutely would have taken this sell, and we will still be in it. So it is what happens. It is what it is. So when I see different setups, I already know what it means. I will know, okay, all right, let me jump in this trade. This is a very nice setup. Let me jump in this trade. That's why this GJ here, I'm mad. I'm mad about it. This EJ one here that I missed, I'm not mad about that one because I wouldn't have taken it anyways because of the time. So if you're looking to trade GU guys, especially if you're trying to trade it during New York, make sure you trade it after the news, because this news is definitely, absolutely gonna affect GU. It's absolutely gonna affect GU. In fact, it's gonna affect all USD pairs, and it might also affect gold if you trade gold. Um, Sometime before hour, yeah. So this support here at 137,900, we could either, if price gets here, we could either see a rejection or we could see a break and close below. If we break and close below, then just looking at the 4 hour, we're either gonna get to 137,600 and reject, or we're gonna get all the way down to 137,300. So yeah. Uh, 138 is gonna be the bottom of the trade. You could be right and you could be wrong. This candle here, This bearish candle, it has no top wick at all, so it could flip bullish or it could continue pushing down. Because whenever you see a candle like this with no top wick or a bottom wick, it has a 50-50% chance of flipping or continuing its direction. So um all right guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the stream now. So tomorrow is Friday. Man, I hate Fridays, but we'll do this again tomorrow. Hopefully we get a very good and nice setup tomorrow. Alright guys, God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're in the before I go, if you're in the VIP in Discord, um I might stay up, or if not, but I'll make sure I look for some trade setup for New York session, guys. So be on the lookout for that, even if it's just one trade. Preferably maybe EJ or GJ or maybe GU. We'll see. So the Discord link is down below in the description, guys. The free Discord is down below in the description. Anchor Trade link is also in the description. If you're looking for a good and better broker, the link is also down below in the description. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. See you again tomorrow.